Hello friends and welcome to your own channel Boost Your Career. Learning new Excel formulas make you more confident while dealing with the data. But learning the formula in combination with other formula makes you smarter in handling the data and in the team as well. Today we are going to learn such a formula which will help you to concatenate the data which is vertical into horizontal like this. So we have categories here, different categories, and we have subcategories in each category, and I have concatenated these categories and their subcategories in two columns just, and with the help of only two formula. It's very easy but very useful and very required formula for all the data analysts. So stay tuned till the end of this video and let us start how to use the formula Textjoin with if. Before we learn how to use Textjoin with if formula, let us go ahead and first of all understand in few minutes how the Textjoin formula really works. And I will compare this formula with the concatenate formula which was earlier used. So here we have categories, subcategories, and state, these three columns, and we want to say club these three cells into one cell. So the better formula that we always use is a concatenate, which I put it over here. But today I will going to use the text join formula, which is much more useful than the concatenate formula. So text join is equal to text join, then press tab. What it is asking, it is asking first the delimiter. Delimiter means how you want to separate this data, which sign. So for that I will just put a comma. So but a comma needs to be put into double inverted commas. So double inverted comma, then I will put a space because I want space and comma. These are the delimiter, and complete the two double inverted comma. So that becomes my delimiter. Then comma, it is asking true or false. True will ignore the empty cells. So if there is any empty cell, it will not give the effect over here. And false, it will give the effect of the empty cell as well. But I do not want to show the blank cell, so I will put it as a true. Tab, and then comma. What is asking? Text 1, text 2, text 3. So for that I will just select these three cells which I want to combine over here, and then complete the cell. Just look at the formula again, text join, then the delimiter between two double inverted commas. You can use comma, slash, anything, or space, and then true, comma, true, and then comma, and then the cells that you want to combine, and just say enter. Now you will be able to see here these three cells are being combined using the comma here. I will just copy this down till here, for example, and you will be able to see that in the all the cells these three cells have been combined, but here there is nothing in the second cell. Still it has given the combination of the two, first cell and the third cell. Okay, here also there is nothing in the second cell, and here also there is nothing in the first cell, and it is given. If you compare this with the concatenate formula which I put over here, you will be able to see that we have here double here. If you see, there is a two commas here appearing. Here also in the start itself it is appearing a comma because there was a nothing in the first cell. Directly it is putting the delimiter as a comma. That is a disadvantage of concatenate over disadvantage of concatenate function, which is taken care in case of text join. A very useful and very simple formula. Now let us go ahead and learn and solve some problem here. Suppose this is the data that you have. Okay, we have different categories appearing in multiple times. Under each category we have subcategories mentioned over here. Now you want to know how many subcategories are there in each category horizontally. Okay, like here I have put here furniture as this. So I'll just delete this because I want to learn. We want to learn the formula. So with the help of two formulas, one is text join and if, I can concatenate the data for each of the category. So first of all, what you will do, you will copy this cell, this whole data, sorry, copy the whole data for which you want to concatenate the data, paste in some other sheet or the same sheet like this, and then remove duplicate. Remove duplicate. The shortcut is Alt AM, remove duplicate, and remove duplicate here. Okay, so we have three categories, and for each category, I want the subcategories to be collated in this column and separated by comma. It's a simple task that we want to do, but for this we need to use the two formulas in combination. One is text join, which will join the data, and if formula, because whatever is there in front of this category, I want only these four. In front of furniture, I want this only nine subcategories in front of office supplies, like that. So for that I will use the formula is equal to text join. The first is asking the delimiter, so double inverted comma, then comma and space. So comma and space is the delimiter I'm using, and then complete my delimiter, that is double inverted commas. So this will be separated by comma and space, and then comma, true for ignore the empty. So I will put true here, true, and here I will use and then comma again. I here for the text 1, text 2, text 3, I will use if formula, because I want the combination like furniture in this row and copy supplies and technology in this row, like that. So if is equal to the logical test it is asking. I have made a separate video on if formula. If you want to learn, you can learn that. So if logical test is this category, which is here, is equal to the whole column. You can take it from here, or you can choose the whole column. Okay, that means it will search furniture in this column. Okay, that is the logical test. Furniture in the whole column in which the furniture is appearing, furniture or category is appearing, then comma, value if true. What is in return that I want? If this is a furniture, if he searches the furniture, what I want in return? The subcategory. So I will choose the whole column subcategory. So this is very important. Understand if function here. If this particular category is equal to a column where the category is falling, comma, value if true, return me the B column. Whatever is there in the B column, return to me. This is what is if condition is saying. And then comma, value if false, just blanks. So blanks are mentioned as two double inverted commas, and complete the if function. Now if function I am completing. Now this completes my if function, and here I will complete the text join function also. So again one more comma. Look at the formula again. What I am doing, I am collating this each of this category into uh, into one cell under the subcategories. So subcategories will be taken and put it into one cell separated by the comma. So text join, the delimiter is comma, so between two double inverted comma, then true means ignore blanks, and comma, then if function, if this particular cell, that is category, is equal to category column, so it will search and go to the category in, and then comma, in return what I want, subcategory. So it will search the furniture, wherever the furniture available, it will provide me these four. Then wherever office supplies are available, it will provide me this nine subcategories. But because we use the text join, it will join the text and it will give in the one cell only. Now let us enter now and then copy the formula down for all categories. Now you will be able to see here, for furniture we have four categories, subcategories, which are here 1, 2, 3, 4, separated by comma and space. For office furniture we have 9, and these are given as here 9, and for technology we have 4 again, so we have here 4. Isn't it very simple but very useful while you handle the data? So uh, stay tuned. Please forward this video to the people who would like to learn this kind of functions and solve their problems. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you very much.